3 bullish signs that overall demand for Bitcoin is skyrocketing. PNTV4X.com News ID E66C421 minutes ago, unique entities hit their highest weekly average since early 2018 as bullish network momentum snowballs. Bitcoin BTC is seeing a surge in interest this summer, as consumer awareness is reflected in unique network entities hitting more than 2-year highs. NBSP unique entity growth mirrors 2017 bull run. More unique entities are joining the Bitcoin network as activity increasingly resembles the bull run to all-time highs in 2017. NBSP, according to data from on-chain monitoring resource Glassnode, as of August 4, the average weekly new entity count has returned to 140,000, its highest since early 2018. New entities refer to wallet addresses, with Glassnode defining them as a cluster of addresses that are controlled by the same network entity. Overall growth in activity comes as price action flips bullish above $10,000, with 5 figures holding as support for the first time since 2019. NBSP Bitcoin new entities 7-day moving average chart. Source Glassnode. NBSP Square shows a unbelievable Bitcoin demand payment company Square hit almost $1 billion in Bitcoin revenues in Q2 and ETA's proof of a bull market, a famous commentator says. In its Q2 2020 shareholder letter this week, Square revealed quarterly BTC revenues of $875 million for its Cash App, which has 30 million active monthly users. NBSP the figure beats Q1, which totaled $306 million, by almost 200%. NBSP compared to Q1 2018, when Square first began to support Bitcoin, the figure is 600% higher. Gross profits have also transformed, with $17 million in Q2 this year, 711% higher than 2 years ago. Bitcoin revenue and gross profit benefited from an increase in Bitcoin activities and growth in customer demand, the company commented in the letter. For analyst Kevin Rook, the results were unbelievable, coming after months of economic instability worldwide and a dramatic squeeze in incomes for many earners due to COVID-19. Square quarterly Bitcoin revenue. Source Kevin Rook Twitter. NBSP a bull market. Square was already well known for its presence in the Bitcoin space. Together with investment giant Grayscale, Twitter's sister company is responsible for buying up the lion's share of new BTC. NBSP in May, Square began targeting long-term Bitcoin investment strategies by releasing dollar-cost averaging functionality for users. NBSP the move appeared to front-run a change in Bitcoin's own fortunes, with price gains finally sweeping through the market in recent weeks after months of compression. As Cointelegraph reported, Google Trends data further confirms an uptick in interest, similar to March and Maya's block subsidy halving. Nonetheless, compared in June last year, interest is around 40% lower, while price levels are broadly similar. Google search interest in Bitcoin. Source Google Trends at press time levels of $11,310, BTC USD has now delivered 215% profits versus the pit of its crash to $3,600 in March. Parabolic Trav, a Twitter account holder known for increased activity when price action looks bullish, was clearly optimistic about Square's performance. It's a bull market, folks, he summarized in response to Rook. NBSP Square meanwhile may soon not be alone among the payment giants to support cryptocurrency. As Cointelegraph reported, rumors that PayPal may soon follow suit were bolstered last month as correspondents seemed to confirm a new partnership. Consumers on lockdown have turned to investment opportunities such as popular app Robinhood, while a dedicated monitoring resource shows that United States stimulus checks invested in BTC would have turned a 67% profit since. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.